Unboxing and first impressions. Stepping out the compact box of the Baseus Free2Pull 10,000 mAh. Power bank immediately feels like unwrapping a premium gadget. Inside, you'll find the slim charging brick, a crisp instruction manual, and a tasteful Baseus sticker. Minimalist packaging that hints at the modern design within. The Free2Pull lives up to its name at just 137 mm long, 62 mm wide, and 25 mm thick, about the size of a smartphone. It slides effortlessly into pockets or backpacks. Weighing 260 grams, it's light enough to carry all day without fatigue. Streamlined, thoughtful design. What really sets the Free2Pull apart is its built-in 70 cm USB-C cable. Instead of hunting for a separate LED, you pull the ribbon-style cord from its slot at the top of the device. When you're done, it retracts neatly back inside. The same port serves as both input and output, simplifying connections. One USB-C port handles charging the power bank itself and fast charging other devices. A small, right-side power button wakes an elegant LED screen up on the front, displaying remaining battery percentage in precise numbers. The matte textured shell resists fingerprints and feels secure in the hand, while the subdued gray colorway blends professionalism with a modern edge. Charging performance: 30W of versatility. Underneath its small footprint, the Free2Pull hides serious charging muscle. Thanks to power delivery technology, it can deliver up to 30W of output through its USB-C port. That translates to 5 volts 3A15W, 9 volts 3A27W, 12V 2.5A30W, 15 volts 2A30W. In practice, this means you can fast charge a recent MacBook Air at around 30W, top up a modern smartphone at high speed, or refill an iPad battery in under 2 hours. The input side supports 5 volts 3A and 9 volts 2A, allowing the Free2Pull to recharge itself in approximately 3 hours when connected to a compatible charger. The integrated cable means you never leave your charging lead behind, and with a second built-in port, a USB-C socket, you can charge 2 devices at once, whether that a phone and a tablet, or a camera and a wireless headset. Battery chemistry and safety. Inside the Free2Pull lies a lithium-ion polymer core, chosen for its balance of energy density, durability, and safety. Baseus equips the unit with a suite of smart protections over current, over voltage, over temperature, short circuit prevention, and even input-output stability monitoring. During our tests, the unit ran cool under load and shut off cleanly if cables were disconnected abruptly. This reassurance is critical if you depend on your power bank to revive your device during long commutes or while you're traveling. Everyday portability and use cases. Whether you're sipping coffee in a campus cafe, jumping between meetings, or photographing cityscapes at dusk, the Free2Pull fits right into your daily rhythm. Its slender profile tucks into a jacket pocket without printing bulky outlines, while the sturdy housing stands up to the occasional bump or drop. The built-in cable retracts when not in use, preventing tangles. And the digital display means you always know exactly how much juice remains. No guessing from ambiguous LED bars. Price and value. At approximately $25 USD, the Baseus Free2Pull 10,000 mAh. 30W power bank represents exceptional value. Comparable power banks with detachable cables and 30W output often cost 50% more. Here, you get a sleek, reliable package without paying a premium. Conclusion. For anyone who needs reliable, high-speed charging on the go, students, business travelers, photographers, or daily commuters, the Baseus Free2Pull strikes an ideal balance of power, size, and convenience. Its integrated two-way cable, robust safety systems, and true 30W output make it a standout choice in the fiercely crowded power bank market. At around $25 USD, it's a small investment that pays dividends. every time you escape a low battery warning.